fearful?
Careful?
Like, fear. Yeah.
Hell no. I ain't fear nobody.
Good.
Yeah, Bob?
Butterball and I can't sit still. Try talking to you, but I left too soon. Stood in the corner at the back of the room. I'm so stupid, but so are you. Am I crazy? Can you tell? Haven't slept 'cause I'm in hell, and you are my only. Am I crazy? Can you tell? Haven't slept 'cause I'm
Alright, Grandpa. We're going to do a little video real quick. Yeah?
Yeah?
We're going to turn on the AC. The AC on. Turn on the AC. Alright, so the camera is recording you. Put on the seatbelt because them people here. Okay. Alright, so do you remember the first time you voted?
Vote?
Yeah. You never had vote before?
First time you vote?
Yeah.
Quite a long while, you know, this time. 50s.
In the 50s?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, so what was that like? You remember? Tell me what you remember. Let me hold it while we're still in traffic. Or in traffic. Tell me what you remember.
Oh boy. You remember, you know, I never voted to 28. Not yet, I'm alive.
Remember in your life. You can pull on your mask underneath me so we can hear you. So why are you JLP? Why you vote JLP?
Well, I was a sufferer. No education, no father. My mother was a very poor woman, and she had to work job to support her. Her husband takes sick. We have to work on my name. And they know my mother gave me to a woman, a Craighead. She carry our sons and daughter lunch from Craighead to Pike. Because those people and the teacher would never agree. So when I spent about a month, a girl was there working named Beck. She get paid the Friday evening, and I don't get none. So she called me now to split up the wood, and I shot back and I tell her still I said I don't get none. And she said, why? I say, you get paid and I don't get none on all of your work. So she go tell the lady name is B. And she said, well, then I know pay me I get. And my mother give me to she. Me tell her, no love the situation, so I know that. So she didn't give me one whole iron shirt. She didn't give me a whole iron shirt to the husband of America. And he said, I'm going to give her back, I'm going to give her back. And then now I left from Craighead and I reached up for them to put up, I let them give my mother the live.
Yeah.
Her husband never liked me at all, so I couldn't stay there. So, the husband never liked me. My husband was my father. And I didn't know my granny was in Trelawney, where I born. And my granny take me and have me to tell I could have voted in the 50s. So from that now I start to work on truck, work a boiling house, feed milk, a cane, and all kind of different kind of work to tell. Out of that situation. I make myself a man, quite comfortable.
Yeah. So, you used to go on campaign trail?
Yes, I do.
Tell me about it.
The last time I go on a campaign trail is 2016. 2016.
2016?
Yes.
Alright, what do you remember from then?
So I take that trail, you know, from Warsaw to Lime Tree, come back to Albertown, try. When I reach at Rock Spring Garden, I did want to urinate, and nobody never stopped. Nobody didn't stop. From Albertown to try, and when I reach a try.
Tell me some more what the campaign trail is like.
Yeah.
Like everybody, what people do. They sing and
We never fight nobody. We
dance and
yeah, man.
what wanna do on the campaign trail.
Eat and drink and be merry. Tomorrow shall die. But we won the election too. When we spend time with that Craig, our son, she did have one son and one daughter.
Yeah.
The girl named Eva and the boy named Trevor. So I know if I carry them lunch from Craig like every day. And that boy and that girl, one of them become a judge.
Yeah?
Yes. I don't know where the next one, but one of them, I think either the girl or the boy, one of them become judge.
Wow.
Alright.
Them still alive to this day?
I think so. Like I heard one of them did get in a trouble and my father-in-law never liked me at all and couldn't stay there. Couldn't. He never liked me, not even get water trees. And we have to walk over my mind. And I witnessed that baby. He take up in one and bite in him. And see picking them, picking the grand, picking them, one of them. The sins of the parents, the children, the third and fourth generation. Dead off. Everyone dead. The one of them are fighting on me. But they say, well then, show me, my mother adopt me. And she been here for me to say, them a damn fool because my mother married. Right to the church, she church was she married on this. She church over this.
Over there, sir?
Yeah, when you go down, I left and look over there side. And she tell me everything.
So she got married, your mother got married in Christiana?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Let me know about it. And she tell me everything. And she come from Highburn and Manchester around so.
Your mother?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So how she end up? You know how she end up in Trelawney? Warsaw or outside?
After her husband died. The girl house when they had them put it down and put it on one truck near Earl Hall. So we go to Manchester, Trelawney. My granny was there and two sisters. They were there. One sister was there, uncle. And then I had a way found it over there and stay there. Make me say, don't work with nobody. Okay, I used to work on truck.
Yeah.
I have a truck now. Get farm work ticket. That's why I love them. The man just look at me and say, boy, but you're a young, strong man, go work, man. Young man. And then give me a ticket and make to America pass the test. I'm going America in 1959. 1959. There's a camp there called Popcaan Hotel. I went back. Never make nothing well. Come back out. And they are suffer still. After one PMP woman, work with them, get on next card. Work with people just to get a card. Then this lady tell me she not died neither. But Litchfield, but with a bitch, she said that's the MP. MP was belling fancy. The MP said not to give no labor right, no card. It's alright. Well, the labor man now get some 2 card, 3 card, 2 of them get. And he called me named Dr. Davis. Called me and give me 1. And I got give the balance to somebody. One American come back. Make a little money. A woman take it from me. And she will then she had to business duty. She said, me out buy 1 cow and she says, America, I'm not to buy cow. I will be dead. And she said, I have to do business and make it about the 40 pounds to do business. And we end up actually a beggar. Because she left her yard and go this woman yard go fight one girl. One girl and dog bite her. And last hook that run there. She lose everything. Everything she lose. And when she done, she tell people say I make gambling money. Nothing no goes up. That nail me at all. Nothing no goes up. No gambling.
Tell me about your experiences in America. When you go America, go work.
Very hard. Very, very hard work. Very hard. Very hard. No better road in the America. Work very hard. The little money where I made at the year, I'm coming out 1962. And I come back. The money we make, take to buy some jam head, buy 100 lamp on a man, head and body. And the yam, sell it and with the head, move it and keep going to mother land. Mother purchase 3-4 years for land. And I tell you now, I'm planting, increase. Sell out enough of it, make my house and increase the balance until now I still have your liver. I'm so proud of it.
Yeah. So what you do when you did go to America?
We pick apple. First of all, me pick sweet pepper, New Jersey.
In New Jersey.
With tomato, dig up sweet potato, tractor, load truck, leave on one place called Magandi, Jasper, and go to one place called Bristol.
Bristol?
Bristol. Paper. Spin it, big packer. Got that after this. When the morning, snow fall in the morning. Then the caravan will feel over. The grow up a packing house.
Yeah.
Pack up upland, things like that. Saw a reindeer lay down in one 4-story space here.
Mm-hmm. I said nothing wrong. Hold on. Alright, no, not coming.
And American man can say it there 4 years. Them take out the belly and it too high. And it lay down there for 4 years and I ask him why. He said it's a war country. You can't eat everything that you have to save.
When was this? What year was this?
1962.
1962. Oh.
We never left from there and come to Orlando. A place in the County Caribbean called Sand Lake. And it freeze off. It was a freezing temperature that year.
Yeah.
And freeze off a lot of fruit off a tree. But my company where we work with now, go right through the whole place and Florida and buy which part no frost no leak. You know, some place leak and some part no leak.
Mm-hmm.
And then buy them out. And could I able to keep it until June. Move from Orlando and go to Fort Lauderdale. So we spend money about very, very good time down. Very good time. Some girl they really want me down here. While I didn't buy a bus sale and everything. I love them.
Yeah.
Love my mother is alive and I said I left my mother. And then we never had no great education. Traveling at the country to go which part today, you understand?
Yeah.
I mean, I want to have people to know me so. I school myself and love my mother. Down to the very dead. Wherever she lay down, that's them I love her. And then come home. She never have no girl child. I didn't take no care of she.
Yeah.
So me have to stay with her. And then see her blessing the family today. Thank God. I don't like to do that again.
So, when you were working there, did they treat you no good?
In the United States?
Yeah.
Yes. They never treat nobody bad, you know. If you have good behavior, then you can't work.
Mm-hmm.
If you can't work, then love you will work. I don't believe they love some black people, but they love you if you can't work.
If you can't work, them treat you good.
Yeah, so I used to work very, very hard. And when I come home now, then we get in the back. If you can't work now, we get you back. So that's it. I choose a little dollar when we get there. I think they did them at 60 cents an hour.
60 cents an hour?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
60 cents an hour, yeah.
And how many hours in a day did you work? Like you work all day?
Yeah, we work all day.
From morning like crack of dawn?
No, we work even from start 7.
Yeah.
Till 4.
Ah.
7 till 4.
And this was in the 60s?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
62 come on. I think that the year they shoot Kennedy.
Yeah,
When
around,
Kennedy get
yeah.
shoot, I was in Florida that day.
Fort Lauderdale?
Yeah.
Whoa. So what was that like when you hear the news?
Very touching. We hear the president die. The man who Jack Ruby shoot him. Jack Ruby and Leazal Harvey.
Yeah.
What
Wow.
Leazal Harvey, but Jack Ruby.
You remember Wooly, man?
Mm-hmm. What a lot of things. A lot of things.
Did you feel fearful?
Hmm?
Did you feel fearful?
Fearful?
Like fear.
Fear?
Yeah.
Hell no. I don't fear nobody.
Good.
How about you?
What advice you have to young men and women now?
Out here?
Yeah, in 2020. Anybody that watching the video, what advice you can give them from everything you've learned?
Wish them good luck, long life and good prosperity. And you can take education. Go to school, learn feel.
Mm-hmm.
I wish you very, very good luck. Very, very good luck.
Very good luck. That's true.
I'm going home now, but I wish them very good luck.
And I'm going nowhere, Grandpa.
Well, got to go one day.
One day, but no day soon. Right?
Never mind. I would mind if I could have lived till like 200 years.
You're going to. Mm-hmm.
Mind it. Yeah, man, come home, local, work at Medstone, yeah. The Manchester. Actually, for 3 years, 6 months, I spent in Manchester at Medstone. Then I get my first daughter. First son dead, second daughter. She's here like that now.
Mm-hmm.
New Jersey.
Yeah.
Was a Clarendon, Popcaan, Yarmouth. Was a Yarmouth Estate. Warrington. Rhinesbury. And those places, 4 bars. 4 bars. So you're doing it. And they say about that all night. I said till tomorrow.
That's good.
And I wish everybody
So yeah, tell everybody to save.
save something tomorrow. Now you can't go to bed tonight. And man, when you wake up, it's pure rain, you can't go.
Mm-hmm.
You can't go on no work, so you have something.
Save your money,
Yeah,
people.
really hard. Save something.
Save for a rainy day.
On a rainy day.
That's what they say.
And those who have children, save something with them. Right.
Yeah, man.
Save something with them. That place,
So, when you start farming, what was that like?
very tough enough this thing.
You did start with under somebody? Like you were somebody apprentice?
Oh, man.
Or you just did start by yourself?
Just start by myself. By myself, my mother had the land. And we used to work and chop and say, well then, since when my mother have a land, piece of land, pretty piece of land, we now fella on truck again, I go till the side. And whatever me get, me give thanks and praise to the Almighty.
Mm-hmm.
It was so very glad and foggy that no education. Then now we start get some children.
You say you have to start the something and put on something for them now.
Right.
Yeah.
They never said available. But girl who go to school and put that said progress in their life, we still send them to school. No matter how things are, we send them to school and they go on and go on to tell. They could have find their way out and see who have decided to develop them have further their education.
Mm-hmm.
When I was free to
Like
grow.
mommy.
Yes.
Mommy reached to the highest level of education now.
Yes.
She have her doctorate.
O'Neill,
O'Neill, yeah. O'Neill is in the military
Yeah.
and doing really good.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
You too.
Thank you.
Very proud of you. I am feeling so very proud to see you people coming through.
What do you think about me moving back to Jamaica?
I say you chose one of the best plan. Because if you were there now you couldn't. If you say one of your family.
Are they here?
No.
Straight.
Yeah.
Alright.
You'd have to.
But I stuck up there. And with the corona.
Corona, you'd have to wait. Come spend 14 days before you can even talk to nobody.
Yeah.
So, coming back to Jamaica.
Do you think more young people of Jamaican roots should come back home?
It depends on what people choose. I cannot choose for anybody.
True.
I cannot choose, but Jamaica is one of the sweetest places in the world.
Mm-hmm.
I believe the sweetest place in the world. So anybody at all, make up your mind. Make up your mind. Make a life in Jamaica. You can make it.
Yes.
You have to work hard, honest, very honest. Work very hard and save.
Mm-hmm.
Read your Bible, pray to Almighty, guide you, put Him before you at all time. He will do the work.
That's how I feel. No, right?
Get right now, man.
Oh.
Man, nothing.
Sure. Oopsies. Hit the tire. Think I did that way, Grandma?
No. I have to tell you.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Hold on. Good morning, guys. I'm going to go wake up my cousin because I got wrong. If I get some food, want some yam, want some banana, plantain. What else Grandpa sent up over there? I think that might be it. Cane. And then I don't know what else. So I'm already dressed. And I'm keeping on the long sleeve. Because I'm not going up with no ticks bite. I'm not going up with no mosquito bite. But country. Never ending surroundings of lush greenery. Yeah. Alright, guys. Alright. I'll be right back. Oh, let me show y'all the outhouse. I used to hate using this. Like, we didn't use it. I didn't have to use it often, but not this specific one either. There's one over by my grandparents' neighbors. Guys, I hated using it. And you just sit and poop. Hated it, man. I used to feel like I was gonna drop in. I was scared to death. I used to always feel like I'm gonna drop. And then I hated the smell. I hated everything about it. The coconut tree look nicey. How many trees can you spot? There's a breadfruit tree. Hold on, the donkey. The coconut tree, breadfruit tree, obviously banana, so ackee tree. I don't really know the other one them now. Like, I know them. I'd have to just see the fruit to know them. Sorry. Put your foot in our shoes. Put your foot all the way in our shoes. You've probably seen or remember this path where I got ground. Yeah, I'm gonna come up. The last time we were here, this was all bare. Grandpa and city behind me. I carry some yam tick. So I'm not gonna record the whole journey today. Just gonna get little bits and pieces. If you wanna see the whole journey, then you can go back and watch a couple of my country vlogs with Grandpa. I'll put them so you can click the link up in the top up here. Yeah, I'll be back, guys.
Sit still and I'll bring it to ya. Haven't left the house in a while. I'm an anxious butterball and I'm small. Sweaty on my palms like a river. Hot flashes and a shiver. I'm an anxious butterball and I'm gross. Tried talking to you, but I left too soon. Stood in the corner at the back of the room. I'm so stupid, but so are you. Should try so, but I didn't know it was a costume party and I wanna go home. I'm so stupid, so are you. Am I crazy? Can you tell? Haven't slept 'cause I'm in hell. And you are my only. I'm still young, but I feel like shit. Is everybody just full of it? I'm an anxious butterball.
What?
And I can't
Go on.
try talking to you, but I left too soon. Stuck in the corner at the back of the room. I'm so stupid, so are you.
I don't know if you guys remember, but the place has changed so much with these that grew up so big. All of this, it's like a whole new place. This grew up more. It is like we're in a different ground. I'm going to try to get some before and afters and show you guys.
Am I crazy? Can you tell? Haven't slept 'cause I'm in hell. And you are my only. Am I crazy? Can you tell? Haven't slept 'cause I'm in hell. And you are my only.
Grandpa going with the yam tick. Some plantain.
Yeah, well, I find you know. Yeah, mosquito and anything there. Some food, brother? Yeah, give me a flower. Wait a minute.
Give me something then. Give me Peppa Pig, but the plant can't go down.
Yeah, look for Grandpa.
What pig?
Oh. Use this now? Grandpa?
That can dig yam.
Oh, for digging. Alright.
Yep.
Alright guys, so Grandpa is still digging up some yam for me to carry up. Beautiful, huh? That's a yamid. Alright. Oh, the sun hot. And I'm wearing this long sleeve. I feel like I'm cooking. Something I will trick people in. Alright guys, we're going to finish up right here. We're about to leave now and I'm carrying some stuff. So, quick country vlog. When I reach home I'm going to get ready then head out. I have to buy a new wheel because one of the wheels done. Yeah, I got a flat yesterday or the day before yesterday and we patched it up and it's still flat again today, so time to get a new one, but we're going to head out now. Bye guys. Yeah, I was gonna end off the vlog. What I've been forgetting to say is please like, comment and share the vlog. Yeah, please like, comment and share. And I'm noticing that it's a bit messy on the screen, so hold on. Yeah, that's much more like it. I wonder how long it's going to take them, because what they could do is easily direct traffic and have people drive and go. So I don't understand what's going on.